Yes, good morning everyone. Today you are going to study about the problems related to outcrop. Here we are going out for the first problem. In an level ground, a sandstone foundation is dipping at 30 degree east width outcrop of 120 meter. Find the vertical thickness and true thickness. Okay, and they are given the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meter. Okay, we are converting 1 centimeter equal to 20 meter. See, in a level ground, a sandstone foundation is dipping at 30 degree east. Okay, the stone is dipping at east direction about 30 degree width of the outcrop is 120 meter. So okay, now you are making the scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meter. See, now in first step, see here, we are going to solve the problem, and these are the instruments. Okay, one is scale, and these are the set square. Okay, scale, and these are the set square. Okay, one more set square, and this is your protector. Okay, initially you have to draw the directions. Okay, there are 4 directions. Initially you need to draw the directions. One is north to south, and another one, okay, another one east to west. Okay, see, I will mark out. This is north, south, this is west, and this is east. Your stone is dipping at 30 degree east. Okay, see, take this protector and mark one point. Initially you are marking one point. Okay, from here to you have to take 120 meter, your width of the crop. See, your width is 120 meter, and it is dipping at 30 degree east. Okay, see, initially you mark out one point, and from here to here, see, from here to here you need to mark 120 meter. See, I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meter. Now you need to calculate for 120 meter. So for a 120 meter, how much centimeter? So you can divide it 120 by 20. 2 1 ja, this 0 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 12. Now you need to take 6 centimeter. Okay, from here to here it is 6 centimeter. See, 6 centimeter is here. Okay, mark out 6 centimeter. Now take the angle from here to here 30 degree. See, 0 10 20 30. Mark the point and join these two lines. Okay, this point and this point. Okay, join these 2 point. Now see, this is main step. Now you need to take set square, keep here the scale like this only. After that, see, keep the scale like this and take the set square, move slowly. Okay, keep the scale like this on this inclined line and move slowly up to how much you need to move till this point. Okay, see, you got this point, you have to move up to this point, or else you move from like this, from here to here. Move slowly, slowly. See, up to here you have to move the scale. See, here up to from 0 to 6 centimeter. Okay, here is your 6 centimeter line, so you join these two line. Okay, see, you cutted this line, and this is your 90 degree, and you need to join this vertical line also. Okay, see, this is your vertical thickness, and this your true thickness. Measure the distance from here to here. It is, how much it is? 2.9 centimeter. 2.9 centimeter is your true thickness. And vertical thickness, measure using the scale. Measure this one. How much? From here to here it is 3.5. It is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, this much is your outcrop problem. Initially you are drawing out the 2 points and which is 120 meter. Okay, this is A point, B point. After that you are taking 30-degree east. Okay, which is dipping. From that inclined line you need to move the set square slowly. Up to how much you are moving out? See, you have to move like this up to this end point. From A point to B point you take this set square slowly, and you need to cut that B point. Okay, here your point is cutting, so you join these two lines, B point to this inclined point. See, this is your A dash. From A to A dash you are moving like this, and here also you are moving like this. Okay, moving slowly, and now you got A dash, and this A dash line is cutting your B point, and that line will be your true thickness, and this vertical line will be your vertical thickness. Okay, this is your one type of outcrop problem for 5 marks. You need to solve this problem. Okay, rest all problems are same. Practice it thoroughly and practice. Okay.